For legal practitioners and litigants alike, it is imperative to understand the complexities and nuances associated with powers of attorney in Pakistan, whether they are general or irrevocable. This understanding is crucial not only for legal professionals, but also for anyone engaging with such legal instruments. First and foremost, it's important to recognize that the act of revoking a power of attorney is not a straightforward affair, particularly when it's deemed irrevocable. A principal cannot unilaterally revoke it without valid legal grounds. Therefore, it's essential to understand the specific terms under which a power of attorney was granted, as these terms dictate the rights and possibilities of revocation. Equally significant is the understanding of the duties and liabilities that come with being an attorney under such a document. The individual or entity acting on the power of attorney holds a fiduciary duty towards the principal. Any misuse or action that goes beyond the scope of the granted authority can have serious legal consequences. In many cases, disputes have arisen from actions taken by the attorney that were not expressly permitted or were contrary to the interests of the principal. The stance of the courts in Pakistan regarding fraud and misrepresentation in relation to the power of attorney is also noteworthy. There's a consistent opposition to acts of fraud, forgery, and misrepresentation. Even an irrevocable power of attorney can be challenged in court if there's evidence to suggest that it was obtained through deceitful means. However, the burden of proof in such cases often rests on the party challenging the power of attorney. It's also important to understand that a power of attorney does not exist in a vacuum. Its implications, validity, and enforceability are often interlinked with other legal instruments, such as sale agreements or partnership deeds. This interconnectedness requires a holistic understanding of various legal documents and their interactions. Another critical aspect to consider is the concept of time limitations in legal proceedings related to the power of attorney. Whether it's about challenging the validity of the document or seeking redress based on its misuse, timely legal action is crucial. Courts have often dismissed cases or pleas that are time-barred. Lastly, the principle of estoppel is a key consideration. It's a legal principle where a person is prevented from asserting something contrary to what was implied by their previous action, statement, or a pertinent judicial determination. Silence, inaction, or delays in safeguarding one's rights based on a power of attorney can lead to the application of estoppel, thereby preventing any later challenges to the validity or actions taken under the power of attorney. If you are facing legal issues involving a power of attorney in Pakistan, get in touch with our team at Josh and Mack International.